Hello friends, you are welcome back to today's video. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm super excited today because today was the first day my last born was starting preschool. So that was exciting. He was the last person to be at home and he started preschool today. I dropped him off and I was like, God have mercy. My last one is starting preschool. And my big one is going to be 10 and 14, like less than 2 weeks. I can't believe it, but they are really growing up. So super excited. I hope you're excited too. For today's video, I have seen some new subscribers. I just want to show you some of my routine that I'm saving little by little. So keep watching. Hi, hello. Today's video is very simple and I'm going to unstuff my wallet. And for this time around, I'll show you guys the wallet I'm talking about. I hope most of you know this wallet already. This is the wallet. This is my daily wallet that it hang out with me all the time. Everywhere I go. It has the hook for the chain. And I do have a few in the shop. If you buy from me, I give you a free chain, a short one. In case you want a long one, I still sell the chain as well. But if you put in the comment that, oh, maybe I want a longer chain, I might give it to you with no problem. I'm not really picky about when it comes to those things. So today I'm going to unstuff my wallet, and any money I got here is going towards my savings challenge. I'm here to start a series of savings challenge, and I've decided that my leftovers are going to go to that challenge. So that will make it like more easy for me, and also I don't have to get stressed. Where will I get the money from? I already saving money in my sinking fund, investment, and all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and empty this wallet. I have my receipt. I'm going to put it on Fetch. If you don't have Fetch, my code will be on the screen. Check them out. I got $6 Amazon card. I got $10 a Starbucks. So it has not been bad at all. So I love Fetch. When you scan your receipt, they turn them into rewards and you can catch them out. So let's see what is coming out. And also I'm going to share with you how I unstuff my coins, and I also put some more in the coins as well because I have a lot of coins here. Yeah, how is everybody's doing? I'm pretty much excited today. Like I said, I have this $3. I'll put it here on the side. For blessings, let me see. Am I going to take it out? It's $20. Yeah, I might take it out. No, for blessing, I'll leave it. I'll leave it because I don't think I have blessed anybody for this pay period. Grocery, of course, is empty. For gas, I did buy the gas, but I used my card to buy the gas. So I have to return this money back to my account. That's what at times car staffers do as well. You spend on your card, you have the cash, you take it and you return. So I'll put that one on the side. Yeah, I did buy gas because I didn't have my wallet with me. Flash, I'm going to leave it. I have to go get food for Flash. Flash is our turtle, and that's our pet. Day, night, yeah, we did that. Eating out, I might take it out. I'm going to use it for savings. Like I said, I have a lot of challenges coming up, so instead of saving my 1s and 5s, I'm going to use them for the challenge. Local store, of course. For clothing, I'm going to leave it. For nails, I am going to leave it. I have to do my nails probably next week because we're going to go for how do I say, conference. Like I have a 2 days conference. I need to change my nails. I need to change for my hair. Let me see. Let me see if I should. Yeah, for clothing, I'll leave it. Nails, I'll leave my hair, I'll leave it. For miscellaneous, I'm going to take it out. So I do have, let's count it. I do have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I do have 43 that I can use it for some of the challenges that is coming up. I can't wait to share with you guys what I'm gonna do. I hope people will be excited about it. Yes, I'm going to post video for 100 days to Christmas. We start on the 16th of September, which I'll make a lot of announcement about it. I'm going to post short videos, and at the end of the week, I will update everybody with one video. So that's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I can't wait to do that. Oh, let's not forget. Let me go ahead and empty my coins as well. Then we will cast out the coins and we won't starve. Maybe we will, maybe not. So I will take all the coins up and put them in this jar. I like this jar, it's very cute. I still have more coins from vacation that we had last. We had a vacation in July. I have coins from there, so I'm going to take all those coins and I'm going to put them in my coins thing, which you guys will see shortly. Okay, so all the coins out. Make sure I take all of them out. Okay. Okay, all the coins are out. So this is my wallet. It's empty. I'm gonna get paid, so I'm gonna staff it again for the next 2 weeks. So this is the wallet. Look at it. In case you want some, like I said, I still have a few. So check it out. Okay, so I'll put this money on the side. $50 for my gas. It has to go back to my account. And I have 43 that is going to my savings challenges. So that one's go here. Then, like I told you, I have a lot of coins. So when we went on vacation, I did have a lot of coins. See that? So that's that one. This is my little coins bag that I put it in a bag that I bought. I love it. It's very, very cute. So that one is also on the side. And this is the coins that we're going to stuff it. So let me bring my coin stuff out. Before I do that, let me show you. This is how many wraps that I have done so far. I think this one is since beginning of the year. So I have quite a few wraps that I've done. So let me leave it here. And I'll bring my coin stand. I got this from Amazon. I have my Amazon link that I'm supposed to leave it because I listed it on my Amazon storefront. But normally when I'm posting my video, I kind of forget to leave it on. And people have been asking me, but you can get it on Amazon. So let's see. I think it's going to take a while. So I will fast forward some of them while we talk. Yeah, we are in September. What are you guys up to? Almost the end of the year. I can't wait to see how the year goes. Like I said, I'm trying to post videos every day. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully. Yeah, I have to speed it up for sure. Okay, let me speed it up, then I'll come back and talk to you. Yeah, so I'm almost done. As you can see, the coins is almost empty. Yeah, so these are some of the things that I'm doing just to save little by little. It doesn't have to be big money or nothing. you can save your coins, but because I'm a cat staffer, it's kind of easy for me to get a lot of coins. But if you are not a cat staffer, at times you may have coins in your house, you may have coins. If you save them, that would be also be great, 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 great. I pick up every coins in my house. When I see it on the floor, it's for mommy, so I pick them up and I save them here. When they are full, I wrap them up. So hopefully, I don't think today I'm going to wrap some. Hopefully not. I'm not ready to wrap some coins today. I'm being lazy today. At times we just have to be lazy a little bit, right? Oh, this is getting full. I might have to wrap. Do I have to? I don't want to. Maybe I'll do it next. Let's see. Oh, this is full. I might have to. Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I might leave it for next time. Let me leave it here. Next time I'll wrap it. Yeah, so this is how I arrange them. And when they are really full, I'll wrap them like this. So this is how I wrap them. Like this one, I can wrap 2 of the 5 cents today. But do I really want to do that? Let me see if I want to do it quick as well. Okay, so for nickels, I have 2 of them here. So let me go ahead and set it up. When you are wrapping, it's very easy. You just have to do it like this. Then I got from here. Hopefully I got it right. So let me kind of speed it up a little. Hopefully they are flat. So now I get a stand like that, so it's good. That's how we do it. Then very easy. Now you can just add it. So I can't get 2 out of this. I can only get 1 because it has to be $2. Okay. So after I'm done, I just fold top like this and turn this part and fold it. Then I have 1 wrap. So I can only get 1 wrap from here today. Then I'll add this one as well. Now the coins jar is empty. We stuff everything, and we also unstuff 1 of these. Then I'll go ahead and add it to my stuff over here. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching me. Very simple and easy. I will see you in my next video. Leave in the comment whether you will do this to save little by little. I would love to hear from you guys. So thank you so much. Bye bye bye.